Hey guys, it's Mammy with Cooking with Mammy. Look, we're gonna make a blackberry cheesecake cobbler. I've got 1 stick of melted butter in my pan. I have a cup and a half of blackberry pie filling. To me, just 1 cup seems to leave a little bit lacking. And then I have about a half a thing of cheesecake. And we're just gonna plop it in here. In my blackberry stuff. And that might be enough. We'll leave enough for Jeff to have on his pound cake. Then we're just going to take it. We're just going to kind of make, it's hot now, ribbons. Hey, Mo. Just going to make some ribbons. Fold it up just a little bit. Yeah, that's maybe. Then we're just going to put it in here. Uncle Martin. I'm just getting it all out of here. And this is how we make our cobbler, guys. Now, normally we don't put cheesecake in it. I just had this cheesecake left over, and that blackberry cheesecake the other day was really good. So, and just pushing it. Hey! It's okay. Lick it off. Anyhow, you see where it's in kind of ribbons. Like that. Okay? Now we're going to take 1 cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of self-rising flour, and 1 cup of milk. Just 1, 1, and 1. Whisk it together. And this just forms our batter. There's no stirring of this. Try to whisk it and get all your little lumps out, though. Bye, darling. I love you. I don't know. Okay. No, I'm not going home yet. Anyhow, whisk it all together. Get most of the lumps out. Just like that. And guys, literally, all we do is pour it over it. You do not stir it. Now, if you had peaches, you know, it goes all down in the peaches. Now, pie cake, pie filling doesn't really do like that. You just put it on there. Get it all out. And you just put it in the oven, 350. And it takes about 40-ish minutes. You just have to watch it. When it gets good and brown on the top, it'll be ready. All right, that's it. We'll be back when it's done.